constant ringing, buzzing, or hissing sound in your ears, even when everything around you is quiet, you are not imagining it. That persistent noise is called tinnitus, and it affects more than 15% of people globally. Whether your tinnitus has just started or you have been living with it for years, today I'm going to walk you through 6 natural, evidence-based steps you can take to reduce its intensity and regain a sense of calm. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Çınlama, a doctor of audiology, tinnitus specialist, and the founder of Tinnitus Relief Academy. I have helped many people like you manage and reduce their tinnitus using lifestyle changes, sound therapy, and holistic strategies. Let's dive into these powerful steps that can truly make a difference. One of the most important and often overlooked steps in treating tinnitus is simple: protect your ears. Loud environments like concerts, power tools, traffic noise, even loud gyms can damage your inner ear structures and trigger or worsen tinnitus. Here is how to protect yourself. Use high-quality earplugs in loud places. Musician-grade earplugs preserve sound quality while reducing harmful volume. Wear noise-canceling headphones in consistently noisy environment like public transport or airplanes. Avoid sudden loud sounds like slamming doors or firecrackers. I would recommend using a sound level meter app to monitor decibels. If it is above 85 dB, your ears are at risk. Don't wait for hearing loss. Protect your hearing now to prevent tinnitus from worsening. There are many free sound level meter apps that you can download. Download one of them and start using today. Stress is one of the most common and powerful triggers for tinnitus. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisols and adrenaline, which heighten your brain's sensitivity to sound. That makes the ringing feel louder and more invasive. Here's what works. Try daily meditation. Even just 10 minutes of focused breathing can reset your nervous system. Practice deep breathing techniques. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Add gentle yoga or Tai Chi into your weekly routine. Movement and mindfulness is a powerful combo. Use guided meditation apps like Calm or Insight Timer that focus on sound healing or tinnitus relief. Calm body is equal calm ears. Over time, you will find that your brain reacts less to tinnitus, making it feel quieter and more manageable. Before we move to step 3, if you found this video helpful so far and want to see videos like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our community. And make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on new videos just like this. Many people don't realize that what you drink and smoke can directly affect your tinnitus. Let's talk about 3 major triggers. First, caffeine. Found in coffee, energy drinks, chocolate, and some teas. It increases nervous system activity and blood pressure, which may amplify tinnitus. Second, alcohol. It dilates blood vessels and can alter blood flow in the inner ear, sometimes worsening symptoms. Third, nicotine reduces oxygen to the auditory system and constricts blood vessels, which can exacerbate ringing. Try this. Slowly switch from coffee to herbal teas like chamomile or ginger. Reduce alcohol intake and see how your ears respond. If you smoke, consider quitting. It's one of the best things you can do for your hearing. Even reducing these triggers by 50% can make a huge difference in how noticeable your tinnitus feels. Your diet affects everything, including your ears and brain. There is no one-size-fits-all diet for tinnitus, but many people find relief by eating foods that reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and support auditory health. Here is what to eat more of. Leafy green, like spinach, kale, arugula, high in magnesium and folate. Berries packed with antioxidants to combat oxidative stress in the inner ear. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel full of omega-3s which support nerve health. Citrus and colorful fruits provide vitamin C and bioflavonoids for immune support. Whole grains support steady blood sugar and healthy circulation to the ears. What to cut back on? High sodium foods. Sodium spikes blood pressure and can worsen tinnitus symptoms. Processed foods and sugars. They increase inflammation throughout the body. Artificial sweeteners and preservatives. Some people find these can trigger their tinnitus. Build your meals around natural whole foods and hydrate regularly. Your ears and your brain will thank you. Tinnitus is often not just about your ears, it is about your brain's perception of sound. One way to reduce that focus is through sound therapy. Here is how it works. You introduce low-level, soothing background sounds to mask or blend with the ringing in your ears. Over time, your brain learns to ignore the tinnitus signal. This is called habituation. Tools you can use: white noise machines or apps, nature sound playlists like rainfall, ocean waves, or forest sounds. Tinnitus-specific apps like My Noise or Resound Relief can be used for this purpose. Try using sound therapy when you are working, relaxing, or falling asleep. Keep the volume slightly below the level of your tinnitus and not above it. Used consistently, sound therapy helps your brain turn down the volume on tinnitus. Step 6. Seek support and practice mindfulness. Tinnitus can feel isolating, especially if others don't understand what you're going through. Here's why support matters. Talking to others who get it reduces emotional burden. Sharing experiences can lead to new strategies you haven't tried. You will feel more hopeful, and hope is powerful medicine. Try this. Join an online tinnitus support group like Reddit, Facebook, Tinnitus Talk. Look into cognitive behavior therapy, a proven technique for reducing tinnitus-related distress. Journaling, gratitude practice, and mindfulness can help shift your relationship with the sound from fear to acceptance. You may not eliminate tinnitus entirely, but with the right mindset, you can take back control and live fully again. Thank you for watching. I hope these 6 steps help you take meaningful actions toward relieving your tinnitus. I know how exhausting this journey can be. That is why I created a framework to help you finally feel better. You can join the waitlist for tinnitus relief framework. I will include the link at the description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone struggling with tinnitus, and subscribe for more holistic health tips, sound therapy tools, and tinnitus education. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. You are not alone, and the relief is possible. One step at a time. See you in the next video.